We use target range estimator all the time. All right. In doing that, we go to the target on the main page, hit the center button. All right. Then that opens up a new screen that has TR that's highlighted. Hit the center button again. All right. Then we scroll down to estimate, hit the center button again, and that takes us to the mill relation formula. All right. So in that, you plug in your target range. So no matter what your target size is, you have to know that. You plug it in. Then next, you plug in your image size. So if you have a 12-inch target and it mills 0.5, plug in 12 inches into target size, plug in 0.5 mils into image size, and it will say 610 meters for range. Now, there's other things that we can do. We can say, in training yourself how to mill a target, you may want to say, hey, I know the target's 12 inches, but I took my laser out and I know I lased it at 508. All right, so I'm going to change my image size until I get to 508. When I do that, I'll see that it says 0.6. Then I'll take my reticle, place it on the target, and make it be 0.6. You can teach yourself how to mill a target very easily because this isn't an argument. It mills 0.6 if it's 508 meters. But if you change the range, it's going to change your target size. All right, so we built in a lost number function so you could actually find the size of the target if you knew the range and the image size. Well, hopefully you're doing a good job milling the target by the time you've taught yourself how to mill a target, where you can actually take your laser, potentially laze a target or an animal that you're out hunting and say, you know, how big are they that we're shooting, or how big are the antelope or whatever. Well, if I take my laser rangefinder and plug in range, I just plug in the range. I plug in the image size that it mills 0.63. But the target range is X. I plug that in, that tells me, hey, that animal's 9 inches tall or 13 inches tall or whatever. But now I know the exact size of the animal in the wild that I'm hunting. So we do use it in a number of different ways to find the range or to find the size of the target.